Hey everyone! If you've ever struggled with bikini rash or wanted a natural alternative to expensive hair removal creams, then today's video is for you. I'm going to show you how to make an easy, homemade hair removal cream using just 3 simple ingredients: toothpaste, lemon, and baking soda. It's affordable, gentle, and effective for keeping your skin smooth and rash-free. First, add 1 tablespoon of toothpaste into your bowl. Using any white toothpaste works best. Next, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Now, squeeze in about 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Mix everything together until you get a smooth, creamy paste. The toothpaste has cooling properties, the lemon helps lighten dark areas, and baking soda gently exfoliates the skin. Before applying, make sure your skin is clean and dry. Using your fingers or a small spatula, gently spread the paste over the area where you want to remove hair. Apply a thin, even layer and let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. After waiting, take a damp cloth and gently rub the paste in a circular motion against the direction of your hair growth. You'll notice the hair loosening and coming off naturally while also exfoliating dead skin. Rinse the area with lukewarm water afterward. Pat the skin dry with a clean towel. If you're prone to bikini rash, you can apply a thin layer of aloe vera gel or coconut oil for extra soothing and hydration. This step is important because it keeps your skin calm and reduces irritation. And that's it! A simple DIY hair removal cream that also helps prevent bikini rash, made with just toothpaste, lemon, and baking soda. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more natural beauty hacks, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.